Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson the United Nations Organization. Means today we are going to review on the United Nations Organization. Okay? The birth of the United Nations Organization, main objectives of the United Nations, main organs of the United Nations, major agencies of the United Nations, and what is the India's role in United Nations Organization. What is the role of India's role in the United Nations Organization? Okay? So, see the birth of the United Nations Organization. How take birth? Means how United Nations Organization formed. Okay? The First World War in 1914 to 1918 started in Europe as a result of increasing enmity between the industrialized nations. Countless soldiers, other peoples were killed or wounded. The war caused a lot of misery, bloodshed, and destruction across the world. Some nations discussed a need for a worldwide peace. Some nations come together and discussed a need for worldwide peace and thus came together from the League of the Nation in 1919. Despite this, Second World War broke out in 1939 and caused even more damages and destructions. After the war, some nations again came together and formed a world organization which would help in preventing any more wars in future. This was how the United Nations Organization was formed on the 24th October 1945. After the war, some nations came together to form a world organization which would help in preventing any more wars in future. This was how the United Nations Organization was formed on the 24th October 1945. A set of rules called the Charter of the United Nations Organization was signed by 50 member countries, including India. A set of rules called the Charter of the United Nations Organization was signed by 50 member countries, including India. It listed the aims, objectives, and principles of the organization to address the important world issues and promote the world peace. What they are addressed? Aims, objectives, and principle of the organization to address importance of the world issues and they promote the world peace. Today 193 countries are member of the United Nations organization. How many members are there in this one? 193 countries are members. Countries, 193 countries are members. The United Nations headquarters are in New York, the USA. Where is the headquarters of United Nations? New York, the USA. Do you know? The year 2015 marks the 70th anniversary of this one United Nations organization. How many years over completed? 70. The United Nations organization completed his 70 years in 2015. Understood, kids? Okay. Now see main objectives of the United Nations. What are the main objectives of the United Nations? 2. 1. The maintain international peace and security. Second, to develop the friendly relation among the countries. Third, to achieve the international cooperation. Fourth, to be a center for harmonizing the actions of the nations to achieve their objectives. Means the United Nations aims to promote overall progress and develop of the member countries' income, social, cultural space. Understood, my kids? Main objectives of the United Nations. Now see main organs of the United Nations. Main organs of the United Nations. General Assembly. The main organs of the United Nations are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Secretariat and the Trusteeship Council and the International Court of Justice. What are the main organs of the United Nations? Tell me some names. The main organs of the United Nations are General Assembly, Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Secretariat, the Trusteeship Council, and the International Court of Justice. Understood, the kids? Main organs of the United Nations organization in General Assembly is the major policy making and representative organs of the United Nations. All the 193 members of the United Nations are represented in the General Assembly. Now, see Security Council. The Security Council has the primary responsibility of maintaining international peace. The Security Council has the primary responsibility of maintaining international peace and security. Okay. Next, see, before that, the Security Council is made up of 15 members. How many members? The Security Council the Security Council 5 members are permanent. The Security Council is made up of 15, of which 5 members are permanent. 5 members means 5 countries are permanent. 1 Britain, 2 China, 3 France, 4 Russia, and fifth one USA. Security Council members 5 are permanent. 1 Britain, 2 China, 3 France, 4 Russia, and fifth one USA. Understood, no? Other 10 members are non-permanent and are elected by the General Assembly for 2 years term. Remaining 10 members are there in Security Council, no? They are elected by General Assembly for a 2 years term. The Economic and Social Council works towards the social and economic progress and development at the worldwide level. Main organs, General Assembly over, Security Council over. Third one, the Economic and Social Council. Okay. The Economic and Social Council works towards the social and economic progress and development at worldwide level. Economic and Social Council works hand in hand with the other bodies of the United Nations organization such as World Bank, International Monetary Fund, for economic issues. Now see Secretariat. It is also one of the important organs of the United Nations and handled by mainly administrative work. It is headed by the Secretary General appointed by the General Assembly. Ban Ki-moon is the present Secretary General of the United Nations. Ban Ki-moon is present Secretary General of the United Nations. Okay, now see major agency of the United Nations. Main objectives of the United Nations over. Main organs of the United Nations over. Now see major agencies of the United Nations. The United Nations operates through different agencies. These agencies primarily works towards the social, economics, development of developing nations. Major agencies of the UN operates through different agencies. These agencies primarily works towards the social, economic development of developing nations. SICIDS. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It is the agency. WHO, FAO, UNESCO, ILO are the agencies of the UN, United Nations. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund was established in 1946. It works towards the meeting the food, health, educational needs of the children and women in developing countries. This UNICEF UNICEF, UNICEF. This UNICEF works towards meeting the food, health, educational needs of children, women in developing countries. It was established in 1946. Understood? Next, see WHO. WHO means World Health Organization. World Health Organization established on 7th April 1948. World Health Organization established on 7th April 1948. The World Health Organization works toward fighting various diseases and improvement of the health, sanitation facilities. The WHO, World Health Organization, instrumental is eradicating smallpox and is actively working towards the same of our diseases such as polio, malaria, tuberculosis in many more countries. In developing many more countries, the World Health Organization was instrumental in eradicating the smallpox and is actively working towards the same for the diseases such as polio, malaria, tuberculosis and many more developing countries. They work towards other developing countries. Understood? Now FAO. FAO means Food Agriculture Organization. Food Agriculture Organization is an agency of the United Nations Organization and is established in October 1945. When FAO was established, Food and Agriculture Organization is agency of the UNO and it was established in October 1945. It works towards the improving agricultural productivities and food production and distribution. FAO works towards the improving agricultural productivity and food production and distributions. Next agency is UNESCO. UNESCO means United Nations Educational, Social, Cultural Organization. United Nations Educational, Social, C means cultural, O means organization. Understood, my kids? UNESCO. U stands on United, N stands on Nation, E stands on Educational, S stands on Social, C stands on Cultural, O stands on Organization. Works toward this, UNESCO works largely towards establishing peace and sustainable development across the world. For this, it conducts major programs in cultural exchange, communication, education, and so on. The UNESCO headquarters are in Paris, France. Paris and France. The United Nations Educational, Social, Cultural Organization headquarters are in Paris and France. Where are the United Nations educational, social, cultural organization headquarters are there? The UNESCO's headquarters are in Paris and France. Now last one agency is ILO. I means International, L means labor, O means organization. International Labour Organization works towards providing a better standard, fair working conditions for people all over the world. This ILO works towards the providing to give them means to give for labor better standard life, fair working conditions for people over all the world. Understood, kids? Okay. Now last point means we are going discussing what India's role in United Nations organization. Okay? India has been a member of State United Organization, we know, right since its inception. It has support the United Nations Organization peacekeeping force on different missions to Sri Lanka, Korea, Indochina, DRC means Zaire. It has supported to United Nations Organization peacekeeping force on the different missions to Sri Lanka, Zaire, Indochina. The United Nations Organization agencies works hand in hand with the government of India. Work hand in hand with the government of India with achieve common goals of active progress and development in human way. UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund supported the government of India Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan to ensure the greater access to education, enrollment and improvement learning outcomes for the most marginalized group of children. The UNICEF support the government of India's Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan to ensure the greater access to the education, enrollment, improved learning outcomes for the most marginalized group of children. Now see, India has been receiving valuable assistance from the United Nations organization bodies like World Bank, Food and Agriculture Organization and the World Health Organization. India has receiving a valuable assistance from the UNO like the World Health Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization means FAO, WHO and World Bank. Understood, the kids? Do you know? Mrs. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit served as President of the General Assembly in 1953. She was Indian. Mrs. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit served as President of General Assembly in 1953. Understood, my kids? She is a Indian. She served as a president where? In assembly, president served as the president of General Assembly in 1953. Here are revising of UNO, United Nations Organization over. Today's your homework is you read the lesson carefully, collect the points, revise that one once, twice, revise more time. Understood, no kids? Okay, thank you for watching the video.